TikTok is asking the Supreme Court to pause a law that could ban the app in the U.S. President Biden signed the law earlier this year. It requires the app's Chinese-owned parent company ByteDance to sell TikTok or it will be banned. Lawmakers who supported the bill cited the app's ties to China as a national security risk. Trump said Monday after meeting with the app's CEO at Mar-a-Lago that he had a warm spot in his heart for TikTok since he believes it helped him with the youth vote. But the law's deadline to sell the app or be banned is set for the day before Trump is inaugurated. TikTok is hoping to delay that deadline. CBS News Supreme Court producer Catherine Cole joins us now. Catherine, on what grounds is TikTok asking the Supreme Court to pause the law?
Well, this is really TikTok's last chance here. If they don't win this Supreme Court appeal, like you said, that deadline to sell comes on January 19th. So TikTok has asked the Supreme Court, hat in hand, to find that there's a real First Amendment issue with this law. They say that, look, Americans have the right to access the social media platform of their choosing, that this is a free speech right. If they want to speak by uploading videos on TikTok or look at speech by looking at other people's videos, that's their right as Americans. But on the other side of this issue, major national security concerns. Congress passed this law quite intentionally. They were worried about Chinese control of American data. Remember that 170 million Americans have used TikTok and that their usage patterns are available to the Chinese owners. And moreover, that those owners might be manipulating content. And so there's some real balances to be weighed here. And that's what the court is going to have to take a look at.
And do we have any sense of how the justices could respond to this case, given maybe other rulings that they've had on similar issues?
Yeah, I think the main thing here, you mentioned that Donald Trump has kind of has some evolving political views about TikTok. That's not going to have a role here. I expect that this appeal is going to go quite poorly for TikTok, frankly. The lower court was it was completely unanimous, despite liberal and conservative appointed judges on that panel. I would expect the Supreme Court to see this exactly the same way. TikTok's argument, frankly, isn't that good.
All right, Catherine Cole, thank you.
Thank you.